So, Krista Bro from the NACLAT class team, and we'll just have a quick walkthrough on setting up your new user account. What happens with the user setup? Upon user account setup, user will get the first email, advising them to click the link to create a login, and I'll show you that in a second. Then, once they click that, they get a second email, and that might sound illogical, but there's a reason for it. They get a code, they'll also need this to create their login, and the reason for it is this code will eventually be sent by SMS, so it'll be separate, which will be an enhanced security feature once the SMS features are in play. They will create the password to log in. Passwords are really essential. There's some standards there. They have to be 8 characters, including uppercase and lowercase. We want numbers as well, and a special character, meaning something other than a number or a letter, such as an exclamation mark or hash or percentage or something. The only thing you can't use is the triangular brackets. We'll be talking more about that to everybody later, but no triangular brackets, the pointy ones. And then they're ready to go. So let's have a quick look at what happens. So the first one we got here is, dear me, my account recently requested a reset the password, and that's the standard one that they'll get at the beginning because they have to start the process. They click this link, and this takes us to the page where they'll need to enter the security code. It says there correctly, they check your email. Let's go back now to see what happened. And because I've clicked that link, it has sent us through the code. So there it is there. So I can add that and we can get moving. So then put in a password, and I have to put the password in twice. And of course they have to match. To review, the password does need to be at least 8 characters, uppercase, lowercase, include a number and a special character, meaning like exclamation mark or $sign or something along those lines. Just know the pointy left-right brackets. So we'll submit that. And now it's ready to go. So we can put it in based on the username and the password. And now they're in. And the final step is that they need to set up a security question and answer. Now, the reason is if they have ever forgotten their password or muddled it up, they can set up the questions and set up the answers too. And then the system will just prompt them to answer those questions again if they need to change their password. So you can either create your own question or you can choose one of the ones. So I'll just put something in here and maybe a pet name. I made them up, don't worry. You don't have to put all this stuff in, but you could choose to do that if you wanted to. So that's all they need. Save and close. And they're in correctly and ready to go.